Here we go. Well, I ain't rich, but I dang sure wanna be. Working like a dog all day, working for me. Well, I wish I'd had a rich uncle that'd kick the bucket, and I'd be sitting on a pile like a Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It could buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Well, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Maybe so, but it could buy me a boat. They call me redneck, white trash, and blue collar. Well, I could change all that if I had a couple $1 million. I keep hearing that money is the root of all evil, and you can't get a camel through the eye of a needle. I'm sure that's probably true, but it still seems pretty cool, 'cause it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Well, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Maybe so, but it can buy me a boat to float down on the water with the beer. I hear the Powerball lotto is sitting at 100 mil. It can buy me a brand new rod reel, and it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Well, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. Well, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Maybe so, it can buy me a boat. Oh, yeah, it can buy me